Welcome back to another how-to video for SENTRO X. In this video, we'll be running you through how to complete a span test. To initiate the span test, press and hold the middle button of the main unit for maintenance, then span test and enter your chosen gas value. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform a test. Using the SENTRO X test gas hood, apply test gas to the gas inlet grill. The span test is used to check the validity of the reporting reading of a G-block by the SENTRO X. This value can also drift slowly over time. When necessary, use the adjust option. Wait for the gas reading to stabilise. Where necessary, adjust the gas reading by pressing and holding the middle button. Go to youtube.com/@TrollXUK for more videos now.